Welcome back to our Bezi 101 series. If you haven't done so, I recommend watching our user interface overview before watching this video. But if you're ready to move on, we'll go through how to navigate the spatial canvas and interact with objects in Bezi. Let's start with how to navigate the spatial canvas. To pan across the canvas, pan and hold the spacebar or middle click as you drag your mouse. Rotate the view around your scene by holding Alt or Option on Mac and dragging with the mouse. You can also do this by holding the right-click button on your mouse as you drag. You can control the camera distance by pinching in and out on a touchpad or using the scroll wheel on your mouse. Quickly focus on a selected object by pressing Alt-F on PC or Option-F on Mac. If you want to pull back and focus on all the objects on the scene, press Shift-F. You can navigate around your scene along the X, Y, and Z axes using the view cube or by holding Alt, Option on Mac, while holding the middle mouse button and dragging either up, down, left, or right. To hide or show the user interface for an unobstructed view of your spatial canvas, press Ctrl or Command on Mac plus full stop. Now that we've covered the basics, you can access a full list of all keyboard shortcuts from the Help section or the Command Center for quick reference. Next, let's go through how to interact and control objects within your spatial canvas. To select an object, move your mouse cursor over your desired object. If your object is not locked in the hierarchy panel, this will highlight it. Click on that object to select it. Selected objects are clearly highlighted and outlined with a helper gizmo to interact with it in the scene. Right-clicking on an object in the scene displays a contextual menu with options relevant to the object or scene element. To select multiple objects, hold Shift and drag your mouse cursor across all your desired objects. Alternatively, you can select multiple objects one by clicking each while holding the Shift button. Using the gizmo, you can compose the position, rotation, or scale of selected objects. Each part of the gizmo has a different interaction across its axis. Arrows allow you to move objects, boxes scale the size of the object, and quarter circles rotates them. Each axis on the gizmo is color-coded, red for the x-axis, green for the y-axis, and blue for the z-axis. To have more accuracy while composing using the gizmo, you can hold the Shift button while dragging to snap rotations to a 45-degree increment or position according to the increment settings. For further instructions on how to compose objects with more accuracy, you can refer to our video that goes in depth on that. Now that we've covered the basics of navigating around the spatial canvas and interacting with objects, let's continue learning more in Bezi 101. See you on the next video.